Construct an isosceles triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 6. So one rough diagram let us draw. Always you do this thing in the exam, then the sum will be very easy for you. So ABC such that AB is equal to 6. So this one is 6, BC AC 4. So this is 4, this is also 4. Bisect angle C. So this one you bisect uh, mark a point P on this bisector such that CP equal to 5. So CP 5 centimeter. So CP will be 5. Find the point QR such that this. Okay. Then let us take AB this way. Let us take AB this way I am taking. This is A, this is B. What length we have to take? It is given 6. So you have to take 6 centimeter. Now BCAC given 4. So one 4 centimeter line take with your scale. 4 centimeter. This is also centimeter. Don't forget to write. Now this 4 centimeter take, and from A you cut, and from B also you cut. Now join this and this. So this is C. ABC. This is 4 and this is also 4. Because see the diagram here. BC is 4 and AC is 4. Now it is telling we have to draw C bisector. Bisect C internally. That means C angle we have to bisect. That means from C you draw one arc. From this point one arc, and from this point another arc. Now this you join and produce. You have to join with your scale, okay? Now find the point QR. Oh, one more, such that CP equal to 5. P is one point on this bisector such that CP equal to 5. So you take one 5 centimeter line. Take this measure with your compass, and from C you cut. So this is point P. Now it is telling that find the points QR such that 5 centimeter from P and also 5 centimeter from the line AB. So this is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter from line AB means from A taking this 5 centimeter measure with your compass, from this point A you have to draw one arc, and from B also you have to draw another arc. Now this umbrella, this two umbrella head you join with your scale. Then again 5 centimeter you take with your compass. From point P, you draw 5 centimeter line like this. 5 centimeter line. 5 centimeter radius arc you draw, very big arc, so that it cut this line in 2 points. So this is one point. It will be in the question. It is told that find a point, find points Q and R. So this point is Q. Remember, this point is Q and this point is R. So that is the sum. That's all.